So this is a pound dollar analysis for Tuesday the 9th of October. Now let's just have a look at them prices and where prices may like to go. So previously we've had prices rally above the 30.93, didn't quite get towards that 31.47. So we did see a sell side momentum take us back down towards a 30.37. Previous area we've identified possible areas we might find support. We found support in around that 30.37, had this bullish buy side momentum return to this 30.93. Did appear to be breaking away from the 30.93, but we've seen immediate sell side momentum come into the market in around this area of confluence of the 30.93 and that 400 period moving average. We've seen the sell side momentum come into the market, and we've come within a couple of pips here of the 30.37, where we do have the added further confluence of that 200 period moving average, thus increased likelihood of seeing a bullish bounce at that level. So if we do see continued breakaway from the 30.37 and this 200 period average, looking to test that 30.93 previous scenario, we've had consolidation. We've also got the added confluence of the 400 period moving average, thus increased likelihood of seeing sell side momentum. But if we can break and hold above the 30.93, very next level of note here to the upside is to move up towards that 31.47, and beyond 31.47 to the upside, the very next level of note is to move up towards that 31.93. If, however, we do see a continued breakdown and we are not able to find support at least 30.37 with that confluence of 200 period moving average, the very next level of note here to the downside is move down towards 130. Successful break from which we then look for price down towards 20.93, and if there is quite a bit of volatility to the downside here, we're possibly looking for a move down towards that 129.42 here on the pound against the dollar. What we'll do now is have a look here at the daily chart, see how prices are developing. So on this daily chart of the pound against dollar, we can see here we have our lows, we have higher lows, we have higher lows still. We were trending to the upside. We broke out of the trend somewhat, so we do have our highs, our lower high, broke out of the trend, which was to the upside. We've had sell side momentum take us down towards that 129.42, I think it was, 129.42. We've had this rally, had a bit of bearishness coming to the market, so we'll see if we can hold on to 30.37 and potentially post a higher low in this series, let's see if we can post a potential higher low relative to the 129.42 in around that 130.37, or if we will break that to the downside and start to head down to the 20.93 or the 29.42. If we do break beyond that, very next level of note here to the downside would possibly be a move down towards that 128.79 or so here on the pound against the dollar. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the pound dollar analysis. Thanks for watching.